Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. I will try to keep this one very short and to the point. This is for my United States folks only, and this is a temporary position, but I wanted to share because it looked really neat. The company Multiplan is hiring a data entry specialist to work from home. Now, because this is a temporary position, this is for those of you who want to go ahead and start making money, get in somewhere. You know it's temporary, but that gives you time to be working and making money while you are submitting your applications to your dream full-time work from home job. Anything that we can make money in the meantime, or if you can just work a second job for a short period of time to make some extra money. We got Christmas coming up in 5 to 6 months. Maybe you want to remodel your home. This is for you. They are paying $17 an hour, and it says they're seeking multiple temporary associates for their intake position. So they are hiring more than one person. Of course, again, this is a temporary position. It's expected to last anywhere from 2 to 4 months. The expected start date is August 16th, so just a little over 2 weeks. So get those applications in. They are going to provide training for this. Their training class will be the first week of employment. New employees will have to work 8 to 4:30 p.m. Central Time during the training. Once you get through that first week of training, though, it says after training, there is flexibility in the work schedule. So this is a flexible work schedule after that first week. Now, Multiplan is a comprehensive provider of healthcare cost management solutions, and so they are looking for someone to intake and create cases in all applicable systems, perform timely data entry of all the necessary information, research the appropriate systems to identify data needed to complete the cases, any missing data that makes a case incomplete. You will have to follow HIPAA regulations and requirements, and make sure that you do not expose anybody's private health information. Now, they don't really require very much experience at all. They do require a high school diploma or equivalent, the ability to use a keyboard and navigate software applications. You'll have to have high-speed internet, a quiet work area. You'll have to have consistent attendance to your work schedule, and knowledge of medical terminology is preferred but not required. So really you just have to have that degree, the ability to use a computer, and great verbal or written communication skills, and the ability to keep the information you see confidential. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.